What's up, my people? Welcome back to Bajan Lifestyles, where we give you the best of Barbados and all of its hidden treasures. Pop quiz. What is this? What is it, Michaela? Yep, this is a breadfruit. And what do you usually do with this? Eat it. That's right. But today we are going to be roasting breadfruit. If you've never heard about it, you're about to find out. So stay tuned.
Well, this is always roast breadfruit here in Barbados. You do it so you fair, it's what pallet with or whatever you got, and light it up. This is what's called a yellow meat breadfruit, the sweetest breadfruit you can want in Barbados.
Gee whiz.
And when it done roast, it lick your fingers, man. Especially with some butter on it. But we're gonna do it in Buljol today, so we'll see a difference,
nice.
Right? And then what we're gonna do now a little later, because this might not be enough, right? We're gonna put in some sweet potato,
right,
and do that roasted too.
Lovely.
Sorry, matches. You got another good? Very fast started now. Coming on it. So some honey, some are wrong. How it works is that rain. You see the breadfruit turn, not really black, but start to get a whitish gas over it, and the face start to open up. You know, yeah, it's ready.
You got to turn up.
Yeah. Open right up.
We're using a lighter fluid here. But if it don't start up, we might go use some persuasion.
Then we have the chicken. Trying to find.
What's the brown one name, Michaela? Because somebody asked. Golden. Yeah, it will be. Make sure you wet the area so that you don't start a fire. Your monkey, so you don't start on unintentional fire. That was like 5 minutes.
Yeah, see, heat that video on it.
Yeah.
It all depends on how you pat the fat.
Yeah. Last time we tried it on something like that.
The fat didn't even start. we had to try to start the fire. We give up and we cut race.
Have you subscribed yet? Click that subscribe button down below.
Brown?
What smell like, huh? Red herring?
piece of chicken in here.
Ooh.
Next to you.
Smell that split in here.
Yeah, keep that one.
Come on, crack one. He's so bad. But we ain't crack it, get cool though.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh. I'm ready.
Look, so. Barefoot cool.
I'll stick the bunny over. I mean, so.
Them breakfast that do perfect, boy. Give me feet. Watch it without her, yeah.
And what to do?
See that?
That's garbage, boy.
Nah, boy. This got me on it, look. Open to me. Look at all that oil. And he's joking that spoon. Dale. You know what I like? When you open a tin of tuna and you shake out the heavy part, when you look so, it's still got tuna left back in can and you take it in garbage. That's do sense to me, boy. What?
This spoon let me learn the breadfruit.
This is where you probably gotta make breadfruit.
Yeah, man. Like a sport, boy.
Right, you get auto?
Butter for everybody. Now I'm lining the breadfruit. Making it moist. One breadfruit bowl. Already lined. Next breadfruit bowl.
What do you mean already like?
It's going in first.
I want to butter in my breadfruit bowl.
Right now?
Butter and Buljol.
You making sport. Don't knock it if you don't try it. Alright, here goes one breadfruit.
Let me look at that.
That's it. That's it.
Can I smell it?
Roast Breadfruit and Buljol.
Come on. You want a roll of tissue paper here though? Ooh. That's it there, guys. Niceness all the way.
It looks so nice.
You want to plant a breadfruit tree? Breadfruit seeds here.
Me?
Yep.
Alright, go ahead.
Any seeds here?
When you gonna get that breadfruit this year?
You go, girl.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is sweet girl one.
Sure.
Come. Grab and go.
I want your big cake.
Oh, ain't do yet.
You want one of these?
Easy, you know?
If I want, yeah,
Check it out.
breadfruit.
Check it out. Cause she, I know, she ain't ready.
That one, butter.
It's really good.
It's good?
Mom? It tastes good.
Thank you.
You sure it's going butter?
Yeah.
You focus?
Yo, this eating good, yeah? Wow. There's food here, man.
Can I try it?
Wait till you eat that.
If you want delicious food, come by ask my mother.
What are you eating?
I don't even know.
What are you eating?
Breadfruit, roasted breadfruit, and saltfish with stuff in it.
It's called Buljol. Yeah? Buljol.
Saltfish with stuff in it. Look at that one.
This one here?
Yeah, that one.
I told Mom.
Carl, are you all mine?
Come.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Come on, boy.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to press that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we do a video. And don't forget to subscribe. Help us get to 5,000 subscribers. And it's good luck.